Hey, Macklemore, can we go thrift shopping?
What?
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is being awesome.
Now, walk into the club like, what up?
Hey Sobu, Lindsey Vaughn here. This year you're going to Park City, Utah. So I hope you guys have fun, enjoy, and ski some runs up canyons for me.
Turn down for what?